Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the developer options on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To open the settings, we can swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here we can tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the About Tablet option. Here find the option called build number and start tapping on it. Keep tapping on it until you see you are now a developer message. Then you can go back to settings, and at the bottom above the About Tablet you will see the developer options. Tap on it, and as you can see here we have list of developer options. We can enable them by tapping on the switch next to one and then tapping enable like this. Maybe USB debugging, like that. And many more options you have here. You can enable or disable. If you want to disable the developer options as the whole thing, you can tap on the switch right here to disable it or enable it, like that. And once you disable the options, you can go back. And usually they disappear from the settings, but in this case they don't. If you want the developer options to be gone, you need to restore the device to the default factory default settings. Okay, and that's how you enable the developer options on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.